Hello students, welcome to online classes of Sri Mahavir International School, Kishangarh, Rainwar. Today we will discuss about chapter number 4 of history, that is the first civilization in India. And previous two videos we have discussed about growth of civilization, and we have discussed that there were four main civilizations in the world, and out of them the one of them is Indus Valley civilization. And we have discussed that Indus Valley civilization is known as Harappan civilization because it was first discovered in the Harappa city, and this is known as Indus Valley civilization because it is located on the bank of river Indus and its tributaries. And then after we have discussed the extent of the civilization in previous video, and in previous two videos we have discussed about other important cities like Chamudaro, Kalibanga, Banwali, Lothal, Shotkaha, Surkotada, Balakot, Dholavira, Rakigadi, and Ganeriwala, etc. And then after we have discussed the main features of the Indus Valley civilization like town planning, citadel, grid system, drainage system, and some important buildings like Great Bath. We have discussed all these things, and we have discussed brick dockyard and granary in previous videos. Then after we have discussed about economic activities like agriculture and animal husbandry. And in previous videos we have discussed about art and craft like bronze fingeries, and in previous videos we have discussed about ornaments, bead makings, and seals. All these features we have discussed in previous videos. Now today we will discuss about terracotta. The Harappan people also made clay model called terracotta figurines. It means the model that made by clay known as terracotta figurines. These were made of fire-baked earthen clay and were used either as toy or object of worship. And these terracotta figures were used in either toys and objects of worships. Now, next point, other crafts. The Harappan people practiced numerous other art and craft like cloth weaving and pottery making were important crafts like ornament, bead making, seal, terracotta. The Harappan civilization practiced another activity like cloth weaving and pottery making. Fragment of glazed red pottery with black geometric design on it have been found at several places, and archaeologists have found some evidence of the pottery or red pottery in the several places. In many places, raw material, the raw material for various craft and art was either locally available or imported from other areas. For the making of all these items, all the product, the Harappan civilization citizens import the raw material from the other areas like Afghanistan, Iran, etc. Bronze was made by the smiths by mixing tin with copper. They were they were make the bronze with the mixing of the tin and copper. Copper came from the Khetri copper mines of Rajasthan. It means they import the copper from the Khetri mines that's located in Rajasthan, and tin came from Afghanistan, and they imported the tin from Afghanistan. Similarly, gold may have been imported from Afghanistan and Persia, and they also import imported the gold from Afghanistan and Persia, and silver came from Afghanistan and Iran, and they imported the silver from Afghanistan and Iran. Now social life, class differences, structural remain of the houses indicate that class differences were present in the Harappan society. It means archaeologists have found many evidence of houses that there were lived many classes, many group of the people in these areas. The big houses would have been occupied by the rich. It means the rich person had the big house, while smaller houses and two-room cottage would have been used by the poorer section of society, and the poor section or poor people have only a small house and two-room cottage. Trade and contact. A well-organized commerce was the characteristic features of the Indus Valley civilization. These people traded with the cities of Mesopotamia, where some 2 dozen Harappan seals have been found. It means the Harappan seals were found in the Mesopotamian region. Then we can say that there were link between the Indus Valley civilization and or citizen of Indus Valley civilization and the Mesopotamian. Similarly, several cylindrical seals of Mesopotamian origin have been found from the Indus Valley region, and similar the Mesopotamian seals that shapes was cylindrical shape that were found in the Indus Valley civilization region. Then we can say that there will be the link between the Mesopotamia or Indus Valley civilization. Now, religious practices. Numerous female figurines in terracotta have been found from various sites of the Indus Valley civilization. It means that archaeologists found many female figures from the Indus Valley civilization region. These are believed to represent Mother Goddess. Then we can say that this civilization represents the Mother Goddess. People worship the earth as a fertility goddess. The citizens of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped the earth as fertility goddess. They believe the earth is the goddess of fertility. The people tree was also considered to be sacred and evident from its depiction in many seals, and the citizen of the Indus Valley civilization they also worshipped the people tree. They believe that it is the pure and holy tree. The most striking deity of the Harappan culture is the horned god on the shields, and most important deity or god was the horned god on the shields. He is depicted to have 3 heads and horns, and that god have 3 heads and a horns. He is shown as sitting in a yogic posture. It means in yoga portion, placing one foot on the other. He is surrounded by an elephant and a tiger and a rhinoceros, a buffalo and 2 deers. These animals were surrounded the horn god on the shields like elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo, and 2 deer. This looked like a image of Lord Shiva, and this picture is also depict that this is the Lord Shiva's image. We also come across evidence of linga worship, and archaeologists also found the evidence of linga worship. Now, scripts. The people belonging to this civilization also develop a pictographic scripts. It means there is no written record, but the script was like a pictographic script. The script has not been deciphered till date. It means the script had not been explained or written or understood by anyone till date, means till today. Once we are able to read and understand the script, more information about the civilization will be available. And archaeologists said that when we will able to understand or read these scripts, then we can gather more information about the Indus Valley civilization. The mystery of the decline of the civilization. Then we will discuss that how the Indus Valley civilization declined. Around 1750 BCE, the Harappan culture began to decline. It means before Common Era, approximately 1750 BC, the Harappan civilization started declining. Various causes have been suggested for these changes, and there are many causes, there are many reasons for the declination of the Indus Valley civilization. We see that at all the Harappan sites, planning and construction became less efficient than earlier time. It means first reason that Harappan sites planning and construction is less efficient earlier time. At Mohenjo-daro, signs of decline are more evident than at other sites, and from the Mohenjo-daro we have gathered some evidence of the declination of the sites. It is suggested that the city of Mohenjo-daro became weak under the pressure of population. There was an influx of refugees into the cities. That Mohenjo-daro declined due to the pressure of population because there was there were many refugees. Refugees matlab there were many people that came from other areas and settled there. At Mohenjo-daro, rooms were divided into smaller portions and street plans were no longer followed. Some people suggest that expansion of the neighboring desert increase in the salinity of the soil and decreased fertility. And the second reason that told by the archaeologists that the salinity of the desert increased and the fertility of that area lost. That's why the Indus Valley civilization declined. This in turn declined the production of crop and was responsible for the declination of the civilization. Other considered, it means other reason that floods as the main causes, and some archaeologists said that the reason for the declination of the Indus Valley civilization was floods in the Indus River. Excavation revealed that Mohenjo-daro itself was flooded more than once, and archaeologists found some evidence from Mohenjo-daro that there were floods more than one time. Traces of at least three main phases of deep flooding can be detected here. Some scholars are of the view that the river changed their course or dried up, which again led to a shift of the population to other area. And some archaeologists said that the river of that area had dried. That's why the citizen that went away to other region, and this that's why the Indus Valley civilization was declined. Whatever be the reason, the sudden disappearance of this civilization remain a mystery. It means all these the reason, but what was the reason? But till now, it is a mystery that how the Indus Valley civilization disappear. New cities could emerge after about 1250 years around 600 BC, about which we will read later. I think, dear students, you have understand the chapter and the chapter has been completed. Now you will do the question answer of this chapter in your SST notebook. You will do only question number D, E and F in your notebook, but question number A, B and C you will fill in your book. Thank you, and in next video we will discuss next chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.